In this video, I'll be demonstrating how Lanteria HR handles employee onboarding. You can choose to automate this process or start it manually. The Auto Start feature also has a couple of trigger options. Once started, the process uses a template of set actions to assign tasks. Those tasks are sent as notification emails to responsible people. They need to be marked complete to finalize the onboarding process. I'll show you an example of an onboarding template. So if we go to the core HR module and we click on Processes, we'll then go to HR Processes and click on Process Templates. So we'll look at the pre-employment process template to show you the basis of the onboarding process. So click on the title of the template to view the details. So this is a process type workflow, which means that process actions will be created and assigned after each previous action has been completed. Lanteria HR also allows you to set up checklist templates, which is where all of the actions get created at the one time and all need to be completed in order to finalize the onboarding process. However, they don't need to be completed in a particular order. So you can see this pre-employment process has 3 steps. Each step has a responsible role. First one is the manager, the second one is a particular employee, and the third one is HR. So I'll show you how a successful candidate can be automatically onboarded. So we're going to go through recruitment and click on vacancies. We'll open one of those vacancies and go to the vacancy candidates. And on the left, we're going to go to offer accepted. So these are the employees available to be onboarded. Let's onboard Samantha Jones. We'll click on actions on the right-hand side and select hire. Now I can update the candidate status to starter. I can add relevant notes. I can also assign a manager and choose to generate letters if needs be. You now have the option of converting our candidate to an employee or starting the pre-employment onboarding process. Both can be used to trigger a workflow. The one I'm showing you is a set of actions designed to be completed prior to our candidate's first day in the office, and so we'll convert them to employee once the onboarding process has been completed. To do this, we'll click on Start Process. So now you can see Samantha Jones has come up on the onboarding page. To check those actions have been generated, click on Process. You can see the pre-employment process for Samantha Jones has been started. Step 1 of the workflow has been generated, and the responsible person has been nominated for that action. Once that responsible role receives their notification, they can follow the link to mark that that action has been completed. That triggers the generation of the second step of the workflow. The second step involved uploading a document. So we'll click on Upload Document, select the file, start upload, and mark that as complete. Now the second step has been completed, the third one has been generated. This step had the responsible role of HR. That means the system's automatically assigned everyone in the HR role. Once one of the nominated employees marks this action as complete, the pre-employment process for Samantha Jones will have been finished. So we'll return to the onboarding dashboard. We now know that Samantha Jones has completed that pre-employment process and we can create her as an employee. As mentioned, creating an employee can be used to trigger a new workflow process. In addition, terminating an employee can be used to automatically initiate an offboarding process. Along with the onboarding and offboarding automation, you can use the templates I showed you earlier to build as many workflows or checklists as you need. These can be manually started for your employees at any time during their employment.